let the campus outfits begin. Oh man, I'm here. This is too much for me right now. Like, I can't even believe that I'm here. This is my outfit today. Classes hasn't started yet. Today is just kind of like a normal Tuesday. Classes start tomorrow, so today we just get to, today I'm going to finish unpacking and hopefully put my room together, like final touches. I'm about to meet up with Ishan. I'm so excited because I just love that girl. I'm gonna go meet up with her. Hopefully we're gonna go get something to eat. Yeah, when I come back, I'll talk to you guys, okay? It's a bit too much for me. Behind the camera before. Yeah, guys, we're just, you know, the vibe.
You guys, you know where we are. You know where we are. We're eating.
We're at the, we got the boba. Come on, we got the burger. Your boba, Ishan.
Okay, so I'm gonna I'm gonna rate this like a cool. Honestly, like okay.
Honestly,
like
be honest. Yeah.
My taste buds aren't used to this.
Okay.
But it made me be like really nostalgic because I used to drink something like this when I was younger. But besides that, it's not even all that.
I'm crying. No way. I'm a fiend for this, and she's telling me
this is her favorite drink. You want it?
You don't want
actually,
it at all?
Like, I literally will give it to you.
No.
I'm gonna drink it like if I really have to, but I'm not gonna thoroughly enjoy it. So I might as well give it to someone that will.
Okay. If we get back and you're not, you actually don't like it, I'll take it. Okay. Because that is like my holy grail, honestly.
If you're wondering,
I feel so disrespected.
It's brown. Yeah, I'm sorry, bro.
It's brown sugar,
milk bubble.
I guess boba really is subjective.
You guys, I don't drink tea.
Ah, I see. No, that makes sense. This is creme brulee.
But it's pretty. It's aesthetic.
And no, it does look pretty. Guys, it's the first day of school. I haven't vlogged at all because I haven't really been doing much, so yeah. I am a senior at the University of Massachusetts Amherst. That is ridiculous. I don't get it. I don't understand. What does that mean? Senior? What does that mean? I keep having to introduce myself in classes, like say what grade you're in, and I am saying senior, and I don't even get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. What does senior mean? Why am I a senior? I feel like a sophomore. I don't get it. But hi guys, welcome to my channel. I just realized I don't be introducing myself, and I forget that some people, this might be the first video that they're watching. So hi, my name is Karen with 2 R's. You can call me King Kora too. I'm in my dorm right now. I was able to get a single room for the price of a double thanks to sickle cell anemia. I mean, it does wonders for me. I didn't know like what to really vlog. Today was my first day of my Tuesday, Thursday classes. Yesterday was my first day of my Monday, Wednesday, Friday classes. I didn't do like a first day of class, anything. I'm sorry guys, I feel like I did all of that my first 2 years and now I'm like over it. One downside of being on campus is that everyone on campus is, well, all my friends are off campus, so I'm by myself a lot of the time. I don't know if that's gonna change throughout the semester, but so far I've just been walking by myself, eating by myself. And you know, the other day I was at late night, which is like a thing that one of the dining halls do, or a couple of them do. It's like food from 9 to 12, which is like they do like really like late night cravings, and they play music. It's a jam. So I went there by myself the other day because I don't have anyone to, you know, really link up with, especially on campus. Everyone is in their apartments away from campus. Everyone here is mostly a junior, freshman, sophomore, so most of my friends are not here. So I was just been by myself, and the other day I went to late night and I was sitting by myself and I was listening to music, and I was crying, like I was on the verge of tears. But I was on the verge of tears because I was listening to worship music, and I just wanted to cry about how good God is. And then I had to take a step back, and I was like, whoa, like I'm sitting here by myself in the dining hall, and I'm not even sad that I'm by myself. I'm not crying about the fact that I'm by myself. I'm crying about the fact that I love God, which is crazy because I used to always be crying about how I was so lonely and had no friends, and I just used to dwell on that fact of just being by myself. But then I've realized I'm not even sad about that I'm by myself anymore. I'm just so happy that I have God, you know. So yeah, walking around by myself or eating by myself it's not affecting me, because one, I'm grown. Growing up means you're gonna be independent, you're gonna do a lot of things by yourself, but also recognizing that you have God by your side should be all you need, you know.
I was in college. I still feel like I'm recovering. I'm just getting ready for dinner with my friend Sydney.
I have given you this land. But you see, when the Lord said that he had given it to them, it did not mean that there were not enemies who are currently inhabiting that land.
So a con about this room, well, it could be a pro or con. It's just that I hear every single thing. I hear every single thing outside. I'm just here and I hear a mob of people, and I'm like, what's going on? It's Thursday, but I forget. I don't know if it's the same everywhere, but UMass Amherst, on Thursdays the parties begin. So Thursday night party, Friday night party, Saturday night party. It usually starts on Thursdays, and I forgot. And I was like, oh, it makes sense. And it's the first Thursday of, you know, the freshmen or the sophomores that are in here. I'm feeling a bit nostalgic. I'm feeling a bit sad. I'm kind of like, dang, I wish I was a freshman again, just to have the feeling of everything is so new. My God, it's Thursday night. We're going to our frats, or we're going to a party. Everything's new. You're excited. You're getting ready. You're putting on your outfit. You're going. And now I'm here in bed on a Thursday night reading Holier Than Thou. It's just funny to me.
So I throw up my hands, I've got just one. I will.
Okay, the bus comes at 9:55. There was one at 9:33 and I missed it. So actually it's not bad because my class starts at 10:10. So I'm actually just gonna do some morning devotion in the meantime, because I didn't wake up early enough today. Look at God, made me miss my bus so I can talk to him. Fine. Ugh, always want to talk to me or something. I post this on my story. People have been asking. This is Mensa Otabel's living word. Mensa Otabel is the pastor for ICGC. He's the founder for ICGC, International Central Gospel Church. He's Ghanaian. My mom actually gave this to me a while back. Didn't touch it all last year. Then I found God, and now look at me.
Everything responds when he speaks. I come alive when he calls.
I was never new till I knew of the true and living God, Yeshua. He's done miracles on